In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use data validation in Google Sheets. Data validation makes your spreadsheet smarter by controlling what people can type into specific cells. It helps prevent typos, unexpected values, and messy data that's hard to analyze later. A quick best practice before we start: keep your headers safe in row 1 and apply validation beginning at row 2. That way, your labels stay untouched while the rules govern the actual data. First, select the cells you want to control. You can drag to highlight a range like A2 through A100, or click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell. If you're working down a single column, selecting A2, A100 is a clean way to cover all the entries beneath your header. Next, open the validation tool, go to the data menu, choose data validation, and click Add Rule. This opens a panel where you'll define exactly what counts as acceptable input. Now set your criteria. From the criteria dropdown, pick the rule that matches your needs. If you want users to choose from a fixed list, select dropdown. Type the allowed items separated by commas, like pending, approved, declined, and the cell will show a menu instead of freeform text. If you need to control text, choose text. You can require that a cell contains a certain word, starts with a prefix, or that it's a valid email. This is perfect for fields like department names or contact emails. For dates, choose date. You can restrict entries to valid dates only or limit them to a range, such as dates between the first and last day of a month. This keeps schedules and timelines consistent. To constrain numeric input, choose number. Here you can allow only whole numbers or set ranges. For example, values between 1 and 100. It's ideal for budgets, quantities, or scores. For advanced rules, use custom formula. This option lets you write a formula that returns true for acceptable entries. For example, us ln a2 sol 5 allows only 5 character codes, and our is number a2 ensures the entry is numeric. When you're satisfied with the rule, apply it to your selected range. From now on, those cells will guide users toward clean, consistent data, which makes sorting, filtering, and reporting far more reliable. If an entry doesn't meet your rule, Sheets will flag it so you can correct it, preventing errors from slipping into summaries and charts. And if your needs change, just reopen data validation and adjust the criteria. Simple settings, powerful, clean data.